Hello, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how I did my birthday nails using press-ons. These are the ones I'm using from Makartt and I really like them. They're quite thick and not flimsy at all. So I'm going to start by buffing and filing the surface of the nails, and this is just so it helps the product to stick better to the surface. Next, I'm going to be using this nail polish by Barry called Diamond Glitter, and it's so pretty. The more you add layers, the more you see the holographic glitter coming through, and I just love it. So yeah, I'm just going to go with 2 coats for all of them. Okay, next I'm going to be using Majestic Sparkle by Barry as well, and I'm just going to apply it in random spots just to add a bit of dimension to the nails. Next, I'm going in with this gold to draw in the curved lines or swirls, and I was just freestyling because it was that evening before my birthday, so I was a bit in a rush, but this design is really easy to do, I would say. For my ring finger, I'm just going to follow the curve of the base and draw some curves like so. And then for the tip, I'm just going to highlight it with a straight line. Next, I'll be using this gold, which has got more of an orange tone to it, and I'm just going to go on top of the existing lines to create a bit of a contrast. And yeah, I think these 2 shades of gold complement each other really well. Next, I'm going to be applying these gold flakes on top. I'm actually going to be using the silver side, but yeah, I've made these from empty chocolate wrappers that I've just cut into small pieces. So yeah, you can definitely use these for your nails. And I'm just going to seal the flakes and design in with this gel top coat and cure it for 2 minutes. Also, before applying the gel top coat, you need to make sure that the nail varnish underneath is completely dry. Otherwise, if it's not dry and you put the gel top coat and you cure it, it's gonna create wrinkles. So yeah, I made sure it was all dry. Here I've just applied a coat of gel top coat and placing my gems on top, and then I'm going to cure them for about 2 minutes to set the gems into place. my ring finger, I'm applying a coat of gel top coat as well and adding my gems in the clear spaces, and then I'm going to cure it for 2 minutes as well. And then finally for my pinky, I'm applying a coat of gel top coat and adding some silver flakes on top and then curing it for 2 minutes. After curing it, I'm buffing and filing the surface to remove any sharp edges of the flakes. And then I'm going to finish it off with a final layer of gel top coat to seal it in and cure it for 2 minutes. I'm finishing off with a final layer of gel top coat, and I'm also making sure I'm filling in the gaps where the gems are. This is really important because you don't want your hair to get caught in between. So yeah, I'm just going to go all around the gems. And I'm going to cure these for 2 minutes. And there you have your press-ons. Okay, for my nail prep, I'm just going to gently buff, file and push back my cuticles. I'm spraying some alcohol to remove any remaining oils. I've already washed my hands, but yeah, this is just an additional step. I'm adding a tiny bit of glue and pressing down the press-ons. As you may see, I was pressing quite hard. My fingertips were red, but I was just making sure they were on and secure. And yeah, so I'm going to be doing that for all of the nails. As a final step, I'm applying some cuticle oil and rubbing that in. This is a final look. I absolutely love the way these turned out. It was such an easy design, but really effective. The silver, the gold, the gems, the glitter. I think it's a perfect combination. Let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more of this type of content, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.